The party venue now. That's what it looks like in here. There's a little tree set up. We're currently in the process of setting up. We're not done yet, but this is the theme. My first rodeo. So everything looks so far. And after I'm done with the balloon garlands, I'll start cleaning up. This is gonna be the food table. I did this balloon garland myself. Some balloons flew off because it's so windy outside, but I think it still looks nice. And then my dad's building the other backdrop. This is gonna be the cake table. And then we have these little signs. This is his banner for his high chair. And then we have the marquee one. I'm waiting for Kyle to get here with the high chair and the food. And Enzo is out getting the cake. So yeah, we're gonna finish setting up before guests get here. I don't even know what time it is, so hopefully we're on good timing. I think we are. I think we'll be fine. Yeah, we're good time. But yeah, so we're just waiting for everybody and then we'll get the party started. Everything is finally decorated. We have all the food right here. Filipino macaroni salad, pancit, bistec, and menudo. And we have the tables. Got the goodie bags for the kids. And this is the cake table. And a cute little cake. And then they got a smash cake for him. And the backdrop. I'm so proud of it. I know, right? Yay!
How you doing?
Hey! Hey! Yeah. Careful, Enzo.
I was like to put it in.
Go ahead, go Carmela!
Then you get bored quickly. And all right.
Remember when Jacob was born? What did we call Jacob that time?
I don't remember.
It was funny.
No,
No, it was something bad. It was
We're at Optimus Holiday Day for lunch with my brother and his fiance. It's this really nice food hall here in Charlotte. I thought it was gonna be warmer today, but it is so cold and I'm wearing sandals because I can't find my loafers. So I'm wearing sandals with this outfit and my toes are a little cold. We gotta take the elevator. They have igloos here too. Oh, open it. Wow. Hold Daddy's hand. I'm gonna get a Reuben sandwich because I love Reubens. And Kyle's getting ramen. We might do dumplings for an appetizer. For something yummy. I got my food from this place right here, Strawberries on Rye. Got a Reuben. And for my side, I got a potato salad. Oh my goodness.
Do you like cucumber?
This is the one for college. The bulgogi. Yeah.
You've never tried cucumber? You've tried cucumbers?
eating sushi.
Oh, I'm good. I'm cultured, man.
Let's say I got chocolate.
Oh. Thanks, man.
So good.
Bunch of this. They have tres leches right there.
Got dessert.
Oh, my bad. Let me get out of here.
No, you weren't in the shot. That looks really, really good. The gingerbread. Enzo, which one do you want? You want a chocolate chip cookie or a cake? Oh, the cake bites? Enzo, do you want a chocolate cake bite or vanilla?
Vanilla.
Okay. Hi. Can I do a chocolate cake bite? And then, babe, do you want something? Will you take a bite of mine? The little gingerbread, I think it's a muffin or a cupcake with a little gingerbread cookie. I'll have one of those too. And that'll be all. Okay. We just left Optimus Hall and we're headed home now. I'm going to end the vlog here. Today was so fun, just having family and friends around us to celebrate Atlas's birthday. His actual first birthday isn't until next Saturday, and we'll be celebrating again. My love language is acts of service and gifts, so I like to give that to others. So we're gonna go do like more of an experience type of gift next weekend for his birthday. But I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching and hanging out with me. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.